You're watching an exciting new way to introduce your yacht. Wooden House Design and Media provides a service to promote and film your boat, creating online video. With instant access to a worldwide audience, it's an opportunity to take a real tour. Showing your yacht at its best, giving the all-important feel of the experience on board. If you would like more information on promotional tours, please contact John Belodis at Wooden House Design and Media on 01763 247 288 or email john@woodenhouse.com.